think it's like over that way. Yeah, past Baumgartner, south of that.
What did you say? Was that Baumgartner?
No, it's if you go down Millwood, it's past Baumgartner.
Oh.
County Engine 60 arriving. We're working fire. We'll be laying in from the end of 1261.
1060 copy, working fire. 50%.
From the house. D-Tacker 60 will pick up the 5-inch speed of the lane. Have the second due engine come back the lane.
Do you want to go down?
Hey, copy, 20 by 40 fully involved. Outbuilding. Feet from the home, Tacker 60. Pick up the 5-inch down the lane. Second engine in, come back the lane.
Just turn right up here. Yeah, take 10 grand to Millwood.
T60, T50, I'm pulled up. What do you need? I'm in the boogie.
Static 82.3, okay.
Yeah, it's not too far down.
County 620 available. 620. County 10 by 1, I'm available. 10 by 1.
Go location.
We said it's a house or one.
No, it's a woodshed close to the house.
Zone 16, channel 10. Zone 1, channel 1. Channel 11, channel 10.
T60, T50 on
Zone 16, channel 10.
255. You gonna get that second due?
Tacker 60 from Quebec. Can you make sure there's room to get another engine back here, please? At the other driveway.
Engine 502 is on. Fire, not emergent. 10 mil, okay.
Should be right up here on the left.
Engine 502, second reconnect off the engine.
Crash. Engine 29, 1 Engine 55, okay?
Come in, you have 55 engine back there or what?
Here, there it is, huh?
Back there?
This is 60, okay?
Might as well.
Engine 60 for practice if you ready for 5 cars.
50. Tanker 60, do not charge that line. Tanker 60, do not charge that line yet.
Just watch out for the couple.
Tanker 60, copy.
County Command 60.
Command 60.
Four more tankers.
Command 60.
Tanker 50, command, you have an assignment for us?
You had to call a command for an assignment.
10.
Tanker 50.
Do you need anything right now?
Not really. You ready to walk? Hunter, stop there, come in here and go that way.
Get a better angle.
We're just gonna have to like wet this as we pour it down.
Yeah.
We're gonna get. I'll see if they got it. I'll pull Jack and Hunter back out.
Mm-hmm.
Come out here. Up there by Jordan.
Put this stuff on the ground real quick. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess they have a track code coming. So.
Oh, all right.
You can put it under control.
We got it. I just talked to Vickers. It's probably going to be about a half hour. They're going to come in the bottom driveway behind me that comes off of closest to the Rollinsville Road.
If my engine and your engine, well, if my engine's full, if my tanker's full, we can keep one of the tankers and probably cut the rest loose, so we'll have a total of 2 tankers here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Make it 3 tankers. And you can discontinue the fill site if no one was on it, unless they...
Oh, that would have been nice. We're not freaking moving that. It's tough anymore. Justin, can I see your housing? Yeah, because of the water, it's all sucking in. Yeah. That's all right. Alright.
Tanker 60 from Queen on Outbuilding.
Yeah.
Go ahead for tanker 60. When the tankers are done, if you just want to send them back to Station 50, this building, just come back. You'll have yourself 59 and 53. And we should be good. We're going to work on getting this 5-inch broke down that's coming down this driveway.